In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Facebook birthdays to your Google Calendar for 2025. You might have noticed that Facebook no longer offers a straightforward way to export birthdays directly, which can be a bit challenging if you've been relying on that feature to keep track of your friends' special days. But don't worry, because there's still a way to sync those important dates with your Google Calendar. First, since Facebook removed the direct export birthdays option a while ago, you'll want to use a third-party tool or browser extension. Some popular choices include apps like Birthday Calendar Exporter and FBCal Feed. These tools are designed to create a downloadable .ics file containing all of your Facebook birthdays. Once you've selected a third-party tool, be sure to carefully follow their specific instructions for generating this .ics file. Once it's ready, download the file to your computer. Now, let's move on to importing this .ics file into your Google Calendar. Go ahead and open Google Calendar on your computer. At the top right corner, you'll see the gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. On the left-hand side, you'll see a variety of options. Click on Import and Export. This section will allow you to import calendar files, such as the .ics file you've just downloaded. Under the Import tab, you'll see a button labeled Select File from your computer. Click on that and find the Facebook ices file you just saved. Once you've selected the file, you can decide which calendar you'd like to import these birthdays into. There's a drop-down menu that lets you pick between your existing calendars, such as your main calendar, or you can choose to create a new one specifically for birthdays, which might make it easier to manage and view them independently. Finally, click the Import button and you should see a confirmation that your Facebook birthdays have been successfully added to your Google Calendar. You can now keep track of your friends' birthdays all in one place and even set reminders so you'll never miss wishing them on their special day again. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've effectively imported your Facebook birthday list into Google Calendar. Whether you want to send a timely message or just remember